Hey, this is Samuel with the Gernands Photography. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys how to get a consistent editing style with your photos in Lightroom. So let's take a look.
This is Gernands, and I'm also the creator of CASA Presets. And I'm going to be showing you today how to keep a consistent look on your pictures using a preset. This can be either art presets or any other presets you like. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 2 easy steps. This is going to be super simple. So step 1 is going to be set the mood. So first of all, you want to set the pictures the way you want them. Like, do you want them to be warm, or do you want it to have more of a cold look? Do you want it to be like a little bit dark or like brighter looking? So first of all, if your picture, say like it was underexposed, then just bring your exposure up enough that you can see the colors well enough so that you can see what preset is going to fit the picture the best. And so I am going to be using CASA Art 1. Usually I make sure that I use just 1 or 2 presets at the most. For example, if I'm editing a wedding that there's going to be a lot of colors and light, then I would probably use 2 different presets, but no more than that, so that you can keep a consistent look. So once you have chose your preset, then applied it, then I am going to go ahead and keep playing with my exposure. That's good. Some people would go first here to lens correction and enable the profile corrections, but I prefer to like just play with my exposure every now and then as I am editing. Now I'm going to enable the profile correction. And then my next step would be take the dropper and then make sure that the white balance is right. So I'm going to choose a white spot. This is not always going to be perfect, but it's just going to help you achieve a perfect temperature. So I'm going to choose that one. Sometimes it could like turn out to be like way too warm than what I want. So I'm going to bring it down because I like the pictures a little bit more natural looking, like there. And then I always keep playing with my exposure. Actually, I like it there. Now the contrast, I don't touch it, just because the way it is on our CASA presets is the way I like it. So I'm just gonna leave it there. And then if you need to bring your highlights down or your shadows, then do it, because that's usually what you would need to fix depending on how the light was there. It would create more shadows or less. And then the whites and blacks, I don't touch them because this is the look that I like. I am gonna take some shadows out of the picture. That's good. And then I would bring my exposure down just to make sure that she is being defined, well defined. Also, make sure that you do any corrections you like making sure that it's looking straight, or like if there were any blemishes or anything. And then that is about it. Most of our contrast is set here on our tone curve, so I don't play with the contrast much. Then if you wanna like give it more of a soft look, then I would play with the dehaze tool. Make sure you do it with this tool and not with clarity, because clarity creates weird effects. That is usually, I use this just if I'm using the brush and trying to get rid of some blemishes, but say I use the clarity, it's just going to not look sharp and it's not gonna look crisp. But with the dehaze tool, it's going to look softer, although I like it like this, so I'm gonna keep it like that. And then the step number 2 is going to be copy, paste, and compare. So first of all, I am going to press this button, copy, and I'm going to make sure that the settings that are checked here are the ones that I want to copy. So for instance, I won't check transform because not all of the pictures need the same transformation. So these are the ones that I want. I'm going to paste them, copy, and paste them here. So see what happens. Yep, that's basically the same look that I want to keep, and same here thing. Here, same thing. That's good. So then you would do any other corrections you need to do, like local adjustments with your brush and stuff, but this is about the same look. Now, if you need to reset your settings because say like you touched something you didn't want to, say I like brought my contrast way too much and then like I did too many things and I don't like it, but I had already my white balance set in the exposure set, you can go ahead and press reset preset and it's just going to reset the preset just like it says, because let's go back to our history and it's here. Say I press this button, it's just going to reset the whole thing. So let's do paste. And then you're going to compare by pressing this button that filters all the edited pictures, only edited. And so if you see here, I had my 5 pictures. If I press this button, it's going to show me just the ones that I've edited so that I can go through them and compare. So really quick, I can see that this one has more of a tint, a green tint, and this one has more of a purple one. I like it more green, so I'm going to bring this down here. And I'm probably gonna bring a little bit more this one. And there you go. That's how you keep a consistent look.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment below with any questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. Also, make sure you go down in our video description and click the link to get our free CASA Lightroom preset. Thanks so much for watching.